Welcome back to another Ghostface mask unboxing. The mask in question today is a Generation 2 Ghostface mask. This mask is special because it has the attributes of a production style Scream 2 mask. There is no real way to determine this 100%, but I definitely recommend checking out Drown Boy Productions video on YouTube, where he explains some of these attributes, which include having a cotton shroud, exposed guidelines on the mask, both sides on the cheeks, and then the mask vinyl being very translucent and see-through, flimsy, yet sturdy. A very good mask. See in person. Look at the curve on this thing. Might need a good cleanup. Great mask overall. Here it is, cotton shroud, exposed guidelines on the mouth. Very, very flimsy and thin vinyl. Very thick as well. See if I can get those exposed guidelines closer here in a minute. Overall, very good mask. Impressed. Might be one of the best in my collection. Let's see if I can get those exposed guidelines for you guys. Very great shape. Let's see if we can catch those exposed guidelines. Mouth curve is incredible on this one. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but I will add some more detailed pictures at the end of this video to show those exposed guidelines. No, nothing really. Just a great mask overall. No, I don't think it's picking it up. Well guys, be sure to stick around, see some more updates, unboxings, cosplay content. Catch you later.